Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I will show you how to delete Windows.Old in Windows 10 and free up space on your C drive quickly and safely. Step 1. Open File Explorer and locate Local Disk C. Right-click on it and select Properties. This will open the Properties window where you can manage your disk space and see how much storage is being used. Step 2. Click on Disk Cleanup. This built-in tool in Windows helps you remove unnecessary files, temporary data, and old system files, making your computer run smoother. Step 3. Click Clean Up System Files. This option allows disk cleanup to include protected system files, like the previous Windows installation, which is normally hidden. Step 4. Check the box for previous Windows installations. Selecting this ensures that the Windows.Old folder, which contains your old system files, will be deleted safely. Step 5. Click OK and then click Delete Files to confirm. Windows will now remove the selected files, freeing up valuable space on your C drive. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.